Did you know that there are military bases on Earth so classified their existence is denied even by the governments that built them? Places hidden deep underground, guarded by armed security, and protected by laws that forbid anyone from getting close. Today, we're going to explore 5 top-secret military bases the public was never meant to know about. Deep inside a mountain in Colorado lies one of the most secure military bases on the planet, the Cheyenne Mountain Complex. This massive underground facility is protected by thousands of feet of solid granite. Its blast doors weigh 25 tons each, designed to survive a direct nuclear strike. During the Cold War, it served as the main command center for NORAD, monitoring nuclear threats, tracking missiles, and watching the skies for unidentified aircraft. To this day, the deepest levels of the base remain completely classified. Even employees don't know what lies below level 5. Some believe it houses emergency bunkers for top US officials. Others say it's a doomsday command center built for global catastrophe. Hidden in the remote deserts of Central Australia is a base controlled jointly by the CIA, NSA, and Australian intelligence, Pine Gap. This is one of the most secretive facilities ever built outside the United States. Officially, it's described as a satellite tracking station, but insiders say Pine Gap is far more than that. It's believed to intercept global communications, track missile launches anywhere on Earth, and operate advanced reconnaissance satellites. Its underground levels are completely off limits, even to most Australian government officials. Many locals call it Australia's Area 51, and no one really knows what happens behind those curved white domes. In the Ural Mountains of Russia sits a massive top-secret facility known as Mount Yamantau. Russian officials refuse to say what it's used for. Some say it's a nuclear command center. Others say it's one of the largest underground bunkers ever constructed, big enough to house tens of thousands of people. Satellite images show enormous excavation sites, railways leading directly inside the mountain, and entire towns built to support the workers. Western intelligence agencies believe it may store Russia's most valuable military assets, or serve as a hidden government HQ during war. But the truth remains completely unknown. In the Utah desert lies a restricted zone larger than the state of Rhode Island, Dugway Proving Ground. It's one of the most controversial military test sites in American history. Officially, Dugway is used for chemical and biological defense research, but over the decades, unexplained incidents have raised serious questions. Entire flocks of sheep were found dead near the base in the 1960s. In 2011, the facility accidentally shipped live anthrax across the country, and large areas of the base remain sealed off. No explanation given. What exactly is being tested out there? No one knows. In a remote area of southern Russia lies Kapustin Yar, a military base so secret it's often compared to Area 51. During the Cold War, it was used for missile tests and advanced weapons research, but declassified reports suggest something stranger. Witnesses claim strange lights were seen in the skies above the base. Old Soviet pilots reported encountering unknown aircraft during test missions, and several documents describe recovered objects being transported to underground hangars. Is it just Cold War paranoia, or was something truly unexplained being studied here? We may never know, because the deepest sections of Kapustin Yar remain highly classified to this day. These are only a few of the top-secret military facilities hidden around the world, places built to protect governments, to test advanced weapons, or to hide information the public was never meant to see. Which base shocked you the most? Tell us the number in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more hidden places, forbidden locations, and mysteries the world tries to keep secret.